Didge friends, how are you? So you haven't heard from me for a while. Dutch Mama here. Yeah, life, great life. And a lot of things I already did that I wanted to do on my tutorials, but I saw there was one thing missing, and that's basically working on breathing in Toot and the exhale put voice. So then it sounds like there might be more than one player. So we're gonna look at that and check out jaw breathing for this one, and check out voice and check out toots. So if you combine a couple of these things, you have the voice. It's still, it's the relaxed breathing in, so the belly still goes boo, boo, boo. You see my jaw moving, so when I make my voice, the jaw goes down. When I breathe in, the jaw goes up, and that stays like that. But now the jaw up, we have to make that into a toot. So what we're gonna do, the bottom lip goes under the top lip, and I'm gonna squeeze out a bit of air, and the line of air comes to my chin. So out, in, out, in. Boo, 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 boo. Nice funny face again. Here we go in the didgeridoo. So that's the idea. Voice, go, and after squeeze, jaw goes up, lip goes in, my cheeks press out, help pressing out. So you have a lot of power going out, and at that moment you can just breathe in relaxed. So that's it for today. Please keep subscribing to Didge Mama, and keep liking, sending me comments, and share, please share, and help me to get my 1,000 subscribers, because the 1,000th person is gonna get a free online lesson with me.